Hello guys and welcome back to Heloanfa. So today I'm going to show you how to trim and cut videos in CapCut PC. This is one of the most basic and useful tools you need to learn if you want to make a clean and professional looking edits. Once you are open your project and imported your video clips, like this one, the beginning and the end of your video, simply move your mouse to the edge of your clip until you see double-sided arrow. Okay, like this one. Now, click and drag inwards to shorten the clip. This is useful when you want to remove unnecessary parts like a few seconds at the start or the end. Now, if you want to cut a specific section in the middle of the clip, move the playhead to the exact point you want to make the cut and then click the split button or just press Ctrl B on your keyboard. Your video will be split into two parts. You can do this as many times as you needed to cut out unwanted parts. Once you have split the clips, you can click on any parts and press delete on your keyboard to remove it. So CapCut will automatically close the gaps so you don't need to move anything manually. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe these channels and see you in the next video.